Okay, this video today, let's talk about the last issue of Oppo. Let's take a look at the experience of using the OPO camera. I told you before, my phone only supports 108op 60 frames and 4K 30 frames. Then after I install this open camera, we open its settings. I set it to the 60 frames by default. And then, after actual testing, when I shoot 4K, I exported it at 30 frames. That is to say, he has targeted your phone, did automatic downgrade processing. You choose this resolution, and after selecting this frame rate, if you say he can meet your situation at this resolution, then the frame rate will be, for example, the 120 he can only adjust it to 60 or 30 for you. The 30 you chose, that's 30. So don't think about it. That means it will exceed your frame rate limit. Although I just asked this AI. AI said my phone supports 4K 60 frames. But I think AR is lying. It still only supports 4K 30 frames according to the performance of the phone. Well, then I posted 4K in my last video, but it's uploading now. I'll see the effect later. Take a look at the difference between 4K 30 frames and 60K and 108op 60 frames. And it's traffic. Then found me this. The phone doesn't know it's the problem with this camera. It's still a problem with my poor phone. What is this called every time I switch? This shot, I'm going to click this focus. It will be clear. For example, this router here, I click to focus it and it will be clear. It's super blurry when I don't order it. I don't know if this has an automatic home. I still need to learn and use a lot. And then we're going to talk about the second topic of sharing today. That is, since we have this, quit first with this open camera, this universal open source camera app. So when I want to upload a YouTube video after I finish recording, if nothing else, I might need some more editing. If you edit it, it will be launched TikTok. What is this editing software called? CutCut. But I still want open source now, because although it is free, enough, then I go online and use the app to check the AI. Checked 3. There are 2 that are more recommended, but they didn't update it 2 years ago. And the third is a 44K star. But it's currently only external. So let's open it up. I read it on the computer. It's called OpenCard. Click the app and then we are now putting this address. Give the editor logically speaking, it should support, but I don't know why it looks like this. This is its official website. Then we click try. Okay, let's stop here. It does seem to support mobile phones. Is there a problem with mine just now? Then we choose a video. This is what it looks like. Like this. Obviously, it's definitely not suitable on mobile phones. Then it doesn't have an app either. So far, I want to find an open source one. Editing software similar to TikTok. Even saying that this thing is his. His slogan, it's TikTok, this benchmark of this editing software. Open source product, but he doesn't have his own app. So we're giving up for now. We'll use what comes with it. Like this one. It's TikTok recommended editing software. We do not use members. Make some simple cuts. There is no problem with the album. And of course, this piece of software that I just showed you, although he did not update the other 2 projects. But it doesn't stop me from going and making some time later. go give it a try. If these other two software are better, for example, meet some basic requirements. This is a timeline clip. Can remove something, separate or Dinhwa's speech. I think it's okay, even if he hasn't updated for 2 years. But in fact, he has done most of the work. The basic functions have been optimized to about the same time, then that's more than enough for me. I don't care about his background music, don't care about his special effects, care about some other very complex functions like filters, transitions, etc. Just ask him for the simplest cut, or export some pictures and videos, or a compression, or something like that. If he meets my basic requirements, then even if it hasn't been updated for 2 years, it's not even updated now, but he just needs enough. Of course, I still hope that software like this launched its app as soon as possible, so I can use it on my phone. Just say I can only continue to pay attention to what this is called now. Open code for this project. I opened it with OpenWeb on my computer. I found that its experience was not as good as the original because I used this native software. It's fast, but on the computer, Clip 108OP Metropolis Supercard. Not the same computer configuration. Card externally. This is unacceptable to me. So try to make the original sound. So let's wrap it up. That's what I want now. Suppose I only have one cell phone now. I don't have a notebook. I don't have mine either, Homelab development board or small host. And then I want to keep uploading my YouTube videos. Well, the long video is live like this. You could do it on a mobile phone. The premise of realizing it on a mobile phone is I put the native camera away for the time being. It doesn't meet my needs. Then use an open source, this camera app that opens the camera to set some parameters or the optimization of some plugin functions to make sure my recordings are working properly. I can record my short videos, long video, like the software I'm using right now. Then after recording, do we still need editing? Generally requires editing. For example, noise reduction, remove some redundant content or something else related. Or export, from 4K exporting to others, or makeup frames or something like that. So basically just a little bit of editing. It can't be like oral broadcasting. It just goes up without doing anything. Then edit. At present, AI has dragged me 3 open source. I'm only targeting open source me now. I don't care TikTok related to this app because it might have some privacy or something else related. It can only serve as, say, my mainstream or backup. But we really need one last bottom line strategy. It's our open source app. Then open source app, I tested this one, the hottest one so far. What is it called? Open. This app for this card, but there is no app software on his phone. And I tested it on the computer. His external properties are not good. Supercard, although I am actually quite satisfied with his interface. But he doesn't do well on his phone. Then you look long. This is not compatible with the mobile phone at all. If compatible, you can tell, see if I opened it the wrong way. So after I record this video, I'll get around to testing the other two. The other two, open source, although it has not been updated for 2 years. But as long as his foundation can be used, then I'll use it first. Wait until the new project comes out and stabilize it. I'll replace it with something else. It's not that the cost of learning is not too much. That's it for today's video. If you guys have a better clip of this one too. Open source software. You can also tell me in the message area